So here's the homepage for Viggle.ai. We are going to try this out. Now, what I'd like to point out to you is we have joined the Discord, which has been the only way up until recently to use Viggle.ai. And look at this for web. This is what we're going to use, and you're going to love it. Let's jump in. Okay, what we have here is the generation area and then my library area. So this area is what we're going to use to create our new Viggles, and the different items that we create will be over here. The process is very simple. We would upload an image to represent our character, and then we would upload a video that's going to contain the motion that we want to put that character into. If we don't want to use our own video, we can choose from the templates, which have many different scenarios. Most of these are dancing. You will find all kinds of different options here. For background, we can choose original. So this means the video that we upload will keep its background. Or we can choose white or green, which would basically be a green screen. Green would be the best option since that would allow you to easily drop the background in different video editing tools. As far as the model, there's only the V2 option right now. And then we have enhanced quality, which I don't know why you would want to turn that off. Maybe for quicker processing, but we're going to leave that on. Okay, let's have some fun. Upload the file or video. Now you'll see here, full body images work well in most cases. For better results, match the image with the video's framing. So if the video that you're going to use is going to show the full body, then you definitely want to use an image with the full body. If the video you're going to use is just going to be like the upper portion of the body, then that's what you want to use for your image as well. There's a maximum image size of 10 megabytes, and the image that you upload must comply with the community rules. Quickly, let's look at the community rules. All members should treat the staff and others with respect. The creation or sharing of adult content is strictly forbidden. Do not create content that would offend or disrespect cultural, religious, ethnic groups, genders, or races. No gore content. Do not use photos of friends, family, or anyone else without their consent. Avoid using images of political figures and celebrities, and do not share or repost other members' images and creations without their permission. I've collected some photos and videos for us to experiment with. Let's start with Bart Simpson. I'm actually not sure how this is going to turn out since the proportions of Bart's body are not that of an actual person's. His head is big in relation to his body. But let's see what happens. Regarding the video, feature one person with clear motion, keep the character unobstructed, use adequate lighting, and avoid dark footage. Video size 30 seconds max. Okay, let's see if Bart Simpson can do the moonwalk. This will be interesting. Okay, my friends, I have experimented with many different images to represent our character and many different videos to represent our motion. Here are some of the fun things I came up with. Bart Simpson doing the moonwalk, channeling a little bit of Michael Jackson. We have Deadpool giving his own shot at that. Came out a little better because his body matches a human body actually a little more than Bart Simpson. We gave Homer Simpson a shot. Why not? Okay. He can do the moonwalk as well. And we tried Indiana Jones. Same thing. Billie Jean, moonwalk. And then we tried something a little different here with the Stormtrooper. Let's see if you can guess this one. Here's a hint. It's from the 70s. Has to do with disco. Signature move coming up in 3, 2, 1. There we go. Yeah, he's channeling some John Travolta. That's Saturday Night Fever. And what I think is going to work out the best for our little experiment here is going to be our friend the Grinch. So this goes further back. I think this is in the 50s. And here's a little hint. He would be in the rain right now. Did you guess Gene Kelly dancing in the rain? If so, good job. You know, what's going to make this more fun is to actually have the Grinch really dancing in the rain and dancing on that street, just like Gene Kelly. So we're going to overlay this with the Gene Kelly video. However, we first need to remove Gene Kelly from that video. And to take care of that, we're going to use Runway ML. So let's meet over there. Okay, here we are in Runway ML, and we're going to use the in-paint feature, which is going to allow us to basically remove Gene Kelly. I'm going to increase my brush size, and basically I'm going to paint over Gene Kelly. Look at that. The umbrella's gone too. But anyway, I think if we don't have any umbrella, I think that'll be fine, because even if we did have the umbrella, whenever the umbrella moves in front of our new character, the Grinch, I think that would cause an issue. Let's go ahead and export this and try it out. I'll click the export, 720 MP4, that's fine, export video. Okay, see you in a minute. Okay, my friends, we are close to the final product. We created our dancing Grinch, we created a song for the background, and we created a background without Gene Kelly. I'm going to put all those together and enjoy the show.
Green and sneaky, always sly. Grinchy feet quick passing by. He's got snap, he's got flash, dancing through the rain with such panache. Umbrella twirling, spinning round, splashing puddles all through town. Grumpy face but joyful heart, in this stormy show he plays his part. Oh,
if you enjoyed this roller coaster ride of digital nonsense, be sure to check out my other videos where I review the latest AI-powered tools. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Unless, of course, you prefer a life of boring normalcy. But who wants that? Am I right? So hit that subscribe button and let's embark on this journey of technological absurdity together.